Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers here at McConnell Chevrolet. Wanted to go over this 2017 Silverado LTZ Z71. It's the Midnight Edition. It's a beautiful truck. It's got low miles. It's got all the options. Now the Midnight Edition is going to give you the blacked out wheels, the more off-road worthy tires there. I believe they're 33s. Now you're also going to get the painted grille, matching bumpers, and the black bow ties, black mirror caps, black door handles. You're going to have the black surrounding the windows. So everything has been blacked out to give you that Midnight Edition. But you still have the LTZ features. Now you're going to have the chrome running boards. The Z71 is on the door on the Midnight Edition rather than being stamped on the edge of the bed. It's usually right there. Blow around here. You have the parking sensors in the bumper there. Both light setups. Whether you're going to use the 7-prong or the 5-pin. Do have the backup camera, locking tailgate, factory bed liner with the bow tie stamp there against the back wall. You're going to have the power sliding rear window, full tow package. Of course, you're going to have the steps in the rear corner of the bumper. The posts here are going to be elongated to fit your hands so you can hoist yourself up. Get a good shot of this bad boy. Let's go inside. The rear seats are up. Show you how much cargo room you have back here. Seats just flip down. Like that. Power windows. Now you have the memory seats up there, power windows, power locks. You do have the collapsible side mirrors. The Bose surround sound, power driver seat, trailer brakes on the dash there, heated steering wheel. Turn down the AC a little bit. And you do have the heated and cooled seats. You have the dual AC. You have the pedal adjustment on the left, traction control on and off, the bed lamp, parking sensors, and the downhill descent, which is on the Z71. You still have a CD player, and then of course your touchscreen radio. With all its apps. Now the LTZ does have the wireless charger for your cell phone. You just drop it right in there. You have the kind of brushed aluminum look throughout the interior that you get with the Z71 Midnight Edition. This truck only has 35,000 miles on it. It's in wonderful shape. It's got all the features. You do have the sunroof there. All the controls up top for your power rear slider, power sunroof. It is the complete package. Come on down to see it for yourself. Take it for a ride. We're located at 1395 Hillsburg Avenue, Hillsburg, California, the heart of Sonoma County's wine country. Find out why we're Sonoma County's best kept secret. This is your